So talk to me about this. What's this getting?
So it's got I believe, a 3.5-inch metal click on it already. And we are doing king coilover conversion, which means we'll have to, we're replacing the springs and the shocks with some pretty coilovers over there. Monday. So it's a bolt-on kit. I've done one before. I don't remember the difficulty of it, but since I don't remember, that must mean it wasn't that bad. We'll see.
Yeah. So does it keep any of the metal cloak stuff, like the control arms?
You keep the control arms, and that's pretty much it. Trace the sway bar end lengths. We're keeping the track bar too, as far as I know.
Oh, okay.
I haven't gotten that far in the instructions.
Gotcha. This kit looks brand new.
It does.
Like nothing looks. Like there's not even any dirt on it.
Well, I mean, if you look at the upper isolators here, these are their old style. They're first experimentals. And those are wrong. And then it's still got the factory lowers, which those are wrong. They've fixed all those mistakes since the inception of this kit.
So it's an older kit.
Yeah, it's probably an older kit. It's probably one of the first gens that they put out. But,
gotcha.
I mean, other than that, I mean, the control arms didn't change, track bars didn't change, so, and all of that's going away, so.
Nice. Cool.
Should be pretty cool, man. Sorry, I got aftermarket drive shafts, so. And I'll fix the other issues as I come along to them. Fix them and make it right.
So do these tires just get mounted?
No.
These are what we're on it? Is that what it's keeping?
I believe so.
Oh, okay.
37s. Those are the new Baja Legends MTs that came out sometime last year. A little squished.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little squished. Because I'm not sure what their thinking was when they hollowed it out. Maybe weight savings or
cost.
Yeah, cost. But they've now recently gone back to the same size, but this is all solid.
Oh, nice. Ooh, look at these coily boys. Dude, they're so huge. In case you're curious on part numbers.
And it usually makes me leery, because we're also doing gears too. 513. It always makes me leery when they bring their own parts, because sometimes they get it right, sometimes they get it wrong. Most of the time they get it wrong. Monday. But he printed me the color instructions. Look at that.
The customer printed this for you?
They were laying in the seat. That's one step I didn't have to take. Let's go.
Dude!
It's a new style buck. Yeah, it's hollow or solid.
Yeah. Doesn't look deformed.
Okay, so now we're down to.
All right, what's step one?
Step one is read the instructions.
So front's done. How'd it go?
Not terrible. Terrible. There was a few things I would have done differently, but other than that, I mean, we'll see how it flexes off-road, but it should do pretty amazing. Hopefully we won't have to adjust it very much. Hopefully it'll be preset to the lift size you want it, since these are, you know, customer supplied, so we'll have to play with it. But I mean, I wish some of the parts, the hardest parts for me, were trying to fish nuts and bolts in the frame. I mean, I did it, but I wish they would have added, like, you know, nut plates. So, Evo, if you're listening. just a little bit of help.
Yeah.
But other than that, yeah, I mean, I had to source a little bit of hardware, but I've had to do that on Evo kits before, so I'm not a big fan of the sway bar end links. I may end up taking those back off and actually put the larger diameter washer on. So, but that is full droop without the drive shaft on because I'm getting ready to re-gear it after I finish the rear coils. But yeah, so far, I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty bolt on. There was just a few holes to drill. But the design of the upper mount, I would say it's
nice.
Very nice.
Onto the rear. What you think?
Not so much fun on the rear. There was a lot of modification needed to be done. That wasn't in the instructions. The upper coil towers, both pinch seams needed to be finessed out of the way, and then the lowers brackets were like way too far out, and I had to clearance the sway bar tabs, and it's touching the sway bar at full droop, so I don't like that. I like to consult the manufacturer and see what they say. Other than that, man, they sure are pretty looking.
What's next? Gears?
Yep, gears. 513 gears, Yukons, front rear.
Are you gonna leave it up, or are you gonna take it down and see how it drives first? No?
I'll leave it.
Just do it all at once?
Yeah. And then after that, I got a taser, pedal commander to put in, all the good stuff.
Nice. Sweet! Aren't you done yet?
I can't show you up too much. I gotta slow myself down.
You just gotta throttle it back a little bit. He's pedaling. He's pedaling.
It's empty.
Maybe you should shut up.
Been trucking right along, man.
I know you got the front all done.
Get the front all done. Get the back all done. I need that. Thank you.
It's a double rainbow.
Double rainbow.
Well, folks, it's going to be a wrap on the old coilovers on the JL here. If you're wondering what's happening right here in this vicinity there, and then back there, right there, the customer brought it to us like that. I guess he's going to take care of the fenders on his own time. We were just hired to do the coilovers, which Andy did a fantastic job on. So, anywho, that's going to do it for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of our latest content. We'll see you next time.